Okay guys, I'm out here in the talking hot Texas heat. It's 102 right now, and I have the Nothing Phone 2 next to the Google Pixel 7 Pro. And I want to do a screen brightness test. And let me see if I can turn this around without shutting off this video. There we go. Alright, check this out. So the screen is noticeably dimmer than the Google Pixel 7 Pro. Nothing Phone 2 on the left. You can tell brightness is on 100%. And the Pixel 7 Pro on the right, brightness is at 100%. And let's see. If you turn off adaptive brightness, it does go down a bit, just because when you are in direct sunlight, it bumps it up even more. Watch. See how it dimmed? So I have it on full 100, as bright as these things will go. And there is a noticeable difference in brightness. So I don't think it gets, because on paper, the display gets, I'll have to go back and double check. But it had a very impressive brightness level on paper, and I don't think it's getting its full potential in the sun. Check this out. Woo! It's a bright friggin' sun. 102. See? Done burned all our grass. But look, let's get back to the phone. So yes, to the subscriber that was saying please test the brightness, I don't have a brightness detector that some YouTubers have. I probably should invest in one, but just with the eye test, it's certainly not as bright as the Pixel 7 Pro. In fact, it looks like it's about 75% as bright as the Google Pixel 7 Pro. Somewhere around there, maybe 70 to 80% as bright as the Pixel 7 Pro. Let's go to the home screen and see what the colors look like. Now that you know, yes, noticeable difference. The one on the right is brighter and actually shows more vivid colors. Look at the Chrome logo right here compared to the Chrome logo right there. I have the monochrome turned off on the on the Nothing Phone. So there is a difference to me. Screen brightness. The viewing angles are decent. It's just not as bright as other devices. So I mean, it's not that bad in the direct sun. Look, I mean, you can still see it, but ooh, it's hot out here. You can still see it. It's just not as bright. Let me see if I can hold both phones. Hang on. Let me set this phone down. Hope I don't drop these. Okay, so this is in the sun. Oops, the brightness went down. Excuse me. Well, for some reason, the brightness went down on the Pixel. Let's see if I can do this. Sorry, I'm using this. I should have had a tripod out here. But when you do testing, you gotta do what you got. So let's go back to the screen brightness. I think the Pixel went down a bit. Nope, still on 100%. I saw it click down, but maybe it went up when I wasn't looking. So there you have it. The screen brightness test. Now again, I don't know what the numbers are for each device, but I will double check when I go inside. And see, I could have sworn the Nothing Phone 2 had an outstanding brightness rating. So I'll have to verify, because it's certainly not as bright as the Pixel 7 Pro. Let's compare it to the S23 Ultra because that has a super bright display. I'm going to switch to the Pixel. Hang on.